Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to STEM International Publishers. This is तैयबा शकील। प्यारे बच्चों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम चैप्टर नंबर 10 टेक्नोलॉजी इन एवरीडे लाइफ की एक्सरसाइज सोल्व करेंगे। तो चलते हैं अपनी किताब की तरफ। सर्कल द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। नंबर 1, द फ्लैट सरफेस ऑफ सॉलिड इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन ए वर्टेक्स, ऑप्शन बी एज, ऑप्शन सी फेस, option D base, and the right option is C face. Number 2, the best material for sculpting is option A clay, option B sand, option C stone, option D plastic, and the right option is A clay. Thermometer is used to option A measure blood pressure, option B check body temperature, option C measure body glucose level, option D none of these, and the right option is B check body temperature. MCQ number 4, a device that performs arithmetic operations. Option A calculator, option B calendar, option C camera, option D clock, and the right option is A calculator. 5th, normal blood pressure of human body is option A 100 by 100 mm Hg, option B 120 by 80 mm Hg, option C 90 by 50 mm Hg, option D 100 by 70 mm Hg, and the right option is B 120 by 80 mm Hg. Fill in the blanks. First, circles, squares and triangles are two-dimensional shapes. Second, mobile phones are important invention today. Third, digital balance can weigh things in grams and kilograms. Fourth, thermometer measures temperature. Fifth, blood pressure is measured on a blood pressure monitor. Answer the questions in short. What is the advantage of using clay for model or making? And the answer is clay is one of the best material for sculpting because it is so easy to work with. You can spend hours having fun and making amazing models of different things using clay. Question number 2, and list some uses of mobile phones. And the answer is making calls and sending messages, searching for information on the internet, finding addresses and checking traffic, setting alarms, using calculators, calendars and camera. Question number 3, what do you mean by first aid? And the right option is first aid is the first help we can give to an injured or ill person. It is useful for some situations like bleeding, burns, allergic reactions and other accidents. Question number 4, what is thermometer? And the answer is a thermometer is a device used to measure body temperature. The normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 Fahrenheit. Question number 5, write the names of items first aid box contain. And the answer is scissors, tweezers, thermometer, cotton and antiseptic solution, instant cold packs, bandages, first aid manual. Answer the questions in details. Question number 1, what do you know about digital balance? And the answer is a digital balance is a weighing machine. It can weigh things in grams and kilograms. It is used in the science laboratory. Some people also use a digital balance in their kitchen to weigh ingredients such as spices, salts. This balance measures weights accurately. An electrical circuit creates a current when a weight is placed on the digital balance, which is eventually transformed into a digital readout on the display. Question number 2, why mobile phones are also called smartphone? And the answer is mobile phones are an important invention today and are very useful for everyone. They help us to communicate with people near or far away within seconds. Mobile phones are like mini computers and help us do much more than just talking to somebody. We can search for information on the internet, locate the address of a place we have to visit, and even find out how much traffic we will come across along the way. That is why mobile phones are also called smartphones. Question number 3. What is plumb line? How do we use it? And the answer is a string with a weight attached to one end is called a plumb line. It is used to check whether an object such as wall or a pole is vertical. It is used to determine the depth of the water. A flagpole can be installed using a plumb line. Following the instructions, you can determine whether a flagpole is upright or vertical. Dig a flagpole into the earth. Place the plumb line close to the flagpole. The plumb line's weight must be upright, which shows that the flagpole is vertical. Question number 4. What is stopwatch and what is it used for? And the answer is a stopwatch is a timepiece with buttons that you press to start and stop an event. It helps to determine the exact duration. The timer starts when the top button is pressed and stops when that button is pressed a second time, showing the time difference. The stopwatch is then reset to 0 by pressing the second button. Split the times and lap duration are also recorded using the second button. तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये रही इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज. आप लोगों ने इस एक्सरसाइज को बार बार रिपीट करना है ताकि इसके कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे तरीके से आपके जहन में बैठ जाए. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज़.